Are you spending hours of your day going through Shopify's listings and finding the correct order details? With Retriever, you can automate all of your Shopify workflows with just prompting. Imagine Retriever generating a tool to get the order details and send those order details to the rest of your team, or filling in forms with those details, or answering customer complaints with the docs for your own documents. So you can give Retriever this prompt like here to generate a tool to get the order details, and Retriever will go through the steps and create a new app, configure the API key, and make the API call to Shopify to get the order details. Now, then we will go through subsequent steps of examples of using that prompting Retriever to get the order details, and then send the email for those specific orders. So it's going through the steps, going through the app development, creating a new app, and doing all of these steps for you. So it has navigated through the Shopify scopes for the API key, and is going through checkboxing the required permissions, and all of this without you having to intervene. And once we have this key set up, you can do further additional things like granting it scopes to fulfill refunds, for example, or other configuration settings. So it successfully saved the access scopes, and it will go proceed to creating a new key. So it is now generating the new API key. Now it's generating the new app, and it will install the app and generate the new key. Cool. App installed, and no hands. So it has generated the access token as well as installing the app, and now it will generate a tool to actually be able to call this stuff. So all the details are here, and now Retriever can get the order details by just specifying the order ID from whatever context you give it. Have the tool, and now we can use it in other contexts, like getting the order details from this list of order IDs on this sheet and sending an email to another customer, sending an email to the support team. So we already have the Zapier MCP Gmail send tool, and our retriever agent will be able to stitch these things together. So get the order details for each order ID, and then call the Zapier MCP tool to with the order details. And using our new tool calling with the Sheets full workflows integration, you'll be sure it will be 100% that it will go through each row and call all sets of required tools. So it's already done calling these tools, and it has gotten the order details and sent a support email.